I wish I would have learned this long ago. Do you sometimes want to quit your job and pursue the life of your dreams under your own terms, while creating a new revenue stream in your life? I can show you how to do so, effectively and successfully, saving you tons of mistakes and time. Hi, my name is Freiburghaus, founder of Sourcing Agents. I have been helping others succeed for 35 years. I share my knowledge and experience with anyone willing to do more of what they want. I help them achieve their goals by designing a successful strategy. What if you could do exactly the same? People come to me because they can't stand their job anymore, or the other hours, the system, or how they are leading their life. Your main struggles are lack of money, lack of time, lack of systems. Basically, you are me a few years back, if that's what you are afraid of. What to sell, to who, how much. Put in place successful systems and strategies. How to show to your targeted public your skills and stand out of the crowd. Failure, time management, not having enough high-paying clients, turnover. During the 90 minutes we will spend together, I want to show you how can you solve these challenges. And not only solve them, getting more for less time. Even if you have ever been an entrepreneur or a business owner before. I was neither of these things when I got started. Call me a robot, but I don't want you to realize too late that the system won't cover your needs when it will be time. If you don't care of yourself and your family, don't expect the system to do it for you. We are facing a period where it is not clear who is going to pay your retirement. Okay. I would love for you to see by yourself what we can achieve together. Your degree might have been useful, but there are other strategies to help you achieve more. While the rest of the economy is going to hell in a handbasket, you can make this year the most lucrative year of your life. Say yes to your freedom. How to get properly paid for what you know, being your own boss. In this free event, you will learn strategies, marketing, negotiation, contracts, and more. I want you to get the freedom and lifestyle you deserve. No job will give you that. Business owners or wealthy individuals on the making should learn from other business owners. Learn from their experience, failures, and successes. How did I become a business owner? Why did I quit a very successful career? It was an easy decision to take, but at the same time, I could not take the step forward. True, building a successful career in a successful company takes commitment and time, sometimes decades. So why quit a position and its benefits that had been so hard to get? Sometimes life challenges you and makes you face unexpected situations. You lose or miss someone or something. You feel miserable and alone. The odds seems to be against you. When that time comes, you know that you got to do something, that you need to fix your priorities. In my case, it was an unexpected divorce and a child custody. It forced me to prioritize my goals, to decide what was first, money or family. Clearly, family. But I also required money to support my son. I had to figure out another revenue stream, a business that fitted my needs, allowing me to be flexible with my time and geographically mobile, and to generate the kind of incomes and capital I wanted to keep for my lifestyle, even to improve it. I decided to save time and to learn from mentors. I traveled the world to meet with experts, to follow mentorships, to learn to better define my strategies, and to work with teams. Now I run several businesses. I'm advising high net worth individuals and selecting their real estate, solving situations other people can't. I'm surrounded by experts who help me day by day and weeks by weeks to reach my clients' financial goals as well as mine. Do you require a fortune to start? Not at all. You require systems, blueprints that will allow you to achieve your goals. And from there, you decide what to do with your time, money, and business. As I've said earlier, it hasn't been an easy process, and it's true. Along the way, I have felt frustration, anger, disappointment, sadness, revolt. But it had been the richest experience of my life. Why? Because now I can create any business with the very same tools and not depend on anyone. No one teaches this in school, but there are strategies that no university teaches to make you achieve your goals. We are in 2020. We live the best time to make an impact and make it happen for you and your family. Everything is in place, just waiting for you to take the step, to finally decide your time is now. I don't want to coach you. I want to create a lifestyle for you and your family. Whether you have experience or not, that's what I want you to know. How to put yourself on the entrepreneurial mode and live your life under your own terms. How to work with others people's money and become financially free. How to create your own systems, create a recurring money stream. How to grow any business offline and online effectively. How to eliminate sales resistance and skepticism. A simple approach that builds trust and goodwill. You will dive into the blueprints, strategies and systems used by the richest people of the planet. How do I know? Because I work with them on a daily basis. Whether you're a product or service-based business, you'll be learning specific strategies suited for you, your business and your lifestyle. Take your life and your finances to the next level and transforming it into a lifestyle. Together, we will develop a clear target of what you want and build a plan to create your blueprint for a sustained money stream. If you also are determined to live under your own terms, to create your lifestyle and to make an impact, join our free event.